Hello and welcome to the 400th episode of Microwave Me. For the 400th episode, I'm going to be doing 400 watts of high pressure sodium. I know what you're thinking, but Captain Microwave, that's kind of a step back from that giant light bulb you did. Well, for one thing, the experiment itself isn't the whole special, and for another thing, this is a fresh bulb. That giant bulb was a dead bulb. And it's going to be on the Proctor Silex microwave doing my 400th official Microwave Me experiment. I'm going to stick my big, long 10-inch sodium bulb inside of her. Close it up. And we're going to have some fun, Microwave Me style. And that was my 400th episode. Take the bulb out. It's still warm. Believe it or not, this bulb had been left to cool for 12 minutes. Anyway, I'm going to have to say that I don't know if this was safe or not. It didn't blow up, but only because I took a lot of safety precautions, but it looked pretty cool, and it's a high pressure sodium bulb. I'm going to say it's a push. It could be borderline unsafe. It ruined an expensive bulb, but it looked awesome. Anyway, I know I don't say this very often, but I appreciate you guys a lot. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't still be doing Microwave Me. Originally, this was just a gimmick to bring more viewers to my music channel. I was only going to do 2, 3, maybe 4 seasons. I mean, yeah, I've been doing microwave experiments since the early 90s, but it was just mostly kitchen science type stuff, and I had no real intention of making a show out of it. I thought nobody'd want to watch that. Then I found shows, Is It a Good Idea to Microwave This, and dOvetastic Microwave Theater, and I found out, hey, people actually are interested in this. Maybe I could get more viewers to my music channel that way to hear my music. But turned out the microwave show is what became popular, and I'm glad it did, so I enjoy it quite a lot. And as we found out with the 300th episode, there's a reason I do light bulbs for my specials. Because they're guaranteed to be cool. Anyway, I'm incredibly thankful for all of you for sticking around for 2.5 years so far, and I hope you're still around for my 500th episode, which will be who knows when, probably later this year or next year. And enjoy a clip show and a special video where I discuss Microwave Me in depth.